So our tender sums are over with this. The last sum is not a tender sum, but it is a missing value sum. Okay, so it is a cost sheet with missing value. So we have to get the sheet. So we got the sheet. Let's work out the sum. So this is a lengthier sum here, okay, and there are some values missing and we have to find out that value, okay, and the question has not told which numbers are missing or anything, but we have to find it out, okay. What they want is us to find out compute total cost, sales, value of relevant closing stocks, okay. All the relevant closing stock values we have to find. So he is given opening stock of raw material, work in progress, finished goods, that he has given. He has given raw materials consumed during the month, okay. So the word is like correct, it is consumed only, so consumed is direct materials used. Works cost they have given, okay. They have given cost of production, purchase of raw material, sale of finished goods, direct labor, direct expense, factory overheads, admin expense, sales expense, okay. They have given all these expenses. So our job is to first insert these into the format. We'll insert the numbers and we'll get the answer. So opening stock value is 25,000 of raw material. Then we have opening stock of WIP, which is 8,200. We have opening stock of finished goods, which is 17,300. Right? What we don't have is the closing stock values. Okay, we don't have the closing stock for anything. The raw materials consumed during the month. Okay, this is the value that he says is 21,800. Then he says works cost for the month. Okay, works cost for the month. Works cost is here for the month after adjusting the work in progress. So after these things are adjusted, what is the works cost? That comes to 48,400. Then he says cost of production of goods sold. Okay, so this is the cost of production, but cost of production of goods sold is this one. Okay, this is the cost of production of goods sold. So that comes to 53,200. Okay, see, this is only the cost of production. Okay, this is the cost of production of goods sold. So because see, some of them is like opening stock and closing stock, we adjusted it. So 53,200 is this number, and purchase of raw material is 23,000. Next one is sale of finished goods is 72,300. Then direct labor is 17,200. Then direct expense is 1,200. Then factory overheads is 9,100. So factory overheads is this number. So any overheads or expense, it refers to only this number. It's 9,100. Administration expense is 3,200. And sales expense is 4,200. Okay, so these are the pretty much numbers. So there are certain missing numbers, okay, and we have to find out the cost value, the sales value. Sales value is already given, so we can find out the profit as well as the total cost. Okay, so we'll start. See, the relevant closing stocks, okay, that is what is missing here. Okay, closing stocks are missing here. For example, this closing stock is missing, okay, and this closing stock might be missing, this might be missing. Okay, we have to find them. So we will find from here. So if you put it here, the total items which are purchased was 48,000. Okay, both these things come to 48,000, but direct materials used is only 21,800. So what is happening is, whatever we have unpurchased, we are not fully using it. So this 25,000, okay, so this 25,000 plus this 23,000, okay, are there, but still we have used only for 21,800. That means 26,200 is missing. Okay, that number is missing. Okay, so that is the missing value here. Okay, so normally closing stock is a minus number, so you have to put a minus symbol. So the number comes to 26,200. You have to put a minus symbol. So if you put a minus symbol, let's see what happens with the answer. When you add all this, it should come to 21,800. Yes. Okay, so how did we find it out? We found out through this. Okay, closing stocks are usually, so if you want, we can put it like this. This is the working note part. Okay, this is a working note, and so we got up to here. So add all your direct material used, labor expense, all of that comes to 40,200. 40,200. Okay, and prime cost plus factory cost plus opening, okay, opening, all this comes to 57,500. Okay, all of this comes to 57,500, but the factory cost, okay, the total of the factory cost comes to only 48,400. So where is the balance number gone? The balance number is the closing WIP. So the balance number is the closing WIP, that comes to 9,100. Okay, but it is minus 9,100. You got the idea here? So when we add all this, it comes to so if you want, we'll put it like this: 40,200 plus 9,100 plus 8,200 minus the works cost will give you 9,100. Okay, but the number is usually a minus number. Okay, so you have to put minus. It will not be a plus number. Okay, if it is a plus number, it's a wrong. So next one is cost of production. Add your works cost and administration expense, that comes to 51,600. 51,600. Done. So so 51,600. So 51,600 plus 17,300 minus 53,200, okay, will give you this closing stock value. Why? Because when you add cost of production plus opening, it comes to 68,900, but there is a reduction, and that reduction we don't know how much. So for finding out that reduction, we are finding out this. It comes to 15,700, but this number is usually a minus number. Okay, so it comes to 15,700 minus number. So if you add all these together, you got the cost of goods sold. Okay, now what he wants is the total cost. So a total cost would be 57,400. 57,400. Okay, what is our profit? Our profit would be selling price minus cost, so 14,900. So this is our balancing figure. Okay, so hope you guys got it. So what is the key numbers that we had? The key numbers that we had here are the closing stock value. Okay, this is a key number, or if you want, I'll just highlight that cell. again closing WIP is a key number because that is what we found, and closing finished stock, okay, that is also a key number. Okay, so that is about this sum. So with this we can end our cost sheet sums. We have started from a basic problem. We dealt a lot of basic problems here. So any problem that is going to be advanced is usually based upon these basics problem only. Mostly these are BCom and MBA level problems. Okay, sometimes they also come in ICWA. Okay, so these are the problems. Ensure that you understand, and we can move on to the next chapter.